Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to unlock Gemini Pro features on iPhone. Google offers Gemini Pro inside the Gemini app for advanced AI tools like deeper reasoning, coding help, and premium image generation. Here's how to access it. Go to the App Store and then search for Google Gemini and then update to the latest version. Once updated, launch the Gemini app and sign in with your Google account. After that, tap your profile icon on the top right. Select Gemini Advanced or AI Pro. You will be redirected to a Google One AI Premium plan. This unlocks Gemini Pro features across Gemini, Gmail, Docs, and more. Confirm your subscription with the Apple Pay or your App Store payment method. After subscribing, you can ask Gemini more complex prompts and generate longer content or access advanced interrogation. Safety tip: use Gemini Pro on your personal Apple ID, not shared accounts, so your subscription and data stay private. Quick fix: if you don't see the Gemini Pro options, update both Gemini and iOS to the latest version. Make sure your App Store region supports Gemini Advanced. Google is still rolling it out country by country. And that's it. Subscribe for